Hi, I'm Cindy, your Get Set Up Guide. Have you ever had a radiology exam ordered by your physician? Do you wish you would have known more about the exam before you went to your appointment? In today's world, physicians are required to see more patients on a daily basis, which leaves very little time for an explanation about the test that's been ordered for you. I created this class to help answer questions about radiology exams that you may need so that when the day arrives for you to have your exam, you'll have a better idea of what to expect. This class will include a discussion of various types of imaging exams, preps for those exams, the length of time the exam takes, and how the exam is actually performed. You will learn what different types of imaging equipment looks like and the method by which an imaging machine actually captures images. We will also look at some images of actual exams. This is an interactive class in which you will have plenty of opportunity to ask questions. So if your doctor's ordered a radiology exam for you, or if you care for someone that has a radiology exam ordered by their physician, this class is for you.